Congratulations on choosing to do what you can to improve your health and function. MyMichigan Health is excited to offer this series of exercise videos designed for patients who are living with or beyond cancer. There's strong evidence that exercise or physical activity reduces the risk of many cancers. And for those going through cancer treatments, exercise and physical activity has been shown to improve the effectiveness of the treatments, improve survival rates, and reduce side effects. The benefits of exercising include reducing fatigue, which is the #1 reported side effect of those going through any type of cancer. While it may seem backwards to exercise when you're already fatigued, it's not. Exercise boosts oxygen circulating in your body, which supports energy production and allows your body to function better. It can help reduce pain and decrease inflammation in your body. It helps to maintain your muscle mass, strength, balance, and mobility during the treatments, keeping you as independent as possible. It minimizes your risk of falls and injuries, improves your sleep, reduces the risk of anxiety and depression over the course of your treatment, and improves overall emotional well-being. Exercise and physical activity may reduce the likelihood of long-term side effects of your cancer treatment, such as neuropathy, lymphedema, osteoporosis, and weight gain. It also helps to prevent other chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Exercise has also been shown to reduce the risk of recurrence in many types of cancers. In general, this will improve the quality of your life, even as your medical team is seeking to improve the quantity of your life. Before starting an exercise routine, please consult your healthcare provider to determine what exercises are right for you. If you engage in this exercise program, you agree that you do so at your own risk, are voluntarily participating in these activities, and assume all risk of injury to yourself. If you have questions about exercising, reach out to your healthcare provider. If you experience shortness of breath, become lightheaded, or any other symptoms of a medical condition, please stop exercising and contact your healthcare provider immediately. No part of this video should be considered medical advice. This video is designed for people of any level of physical ability. We know that the treatment of cancer, whether surgery or chemotherapy or radiation, can affect your body in many ways. It can leave you feeling sore and tight and weak and worn out. The following program is intended to help you improve your breathing, posture, balance, and flexibility, and just in general, help you feel better. So get a chair, maybe a mat or a blanket if you can get on the floor easily, and maybe even a friend to do it with you. And let's get started.
Hello, my name is Judy Powers, and welcome to MyMichigan Medical Center in our breast cancer survivor video for yoga, mobility, flexibility, and just relaxation with our breath. Today, joining me is Roseanne. She'll be doing it at a lowest level. And Felicia over here will be doing it at a moderate level. And Sherry will be demonstrating at the highest level of some of our yoga postures. So let's start by grabbing a chair, hopefully a kitchen chair with no arms, one without any rollers. You can use a yoga mat to help you if you're getting down on the floor. And I have a towel here or a yoga strap to help lengthen my arms for my flexibility stretching. So join me now, starting by sitting tall in your chair, pressing your feet into the earth, and noticing. Inhaling, filling your belly, your ribs, and chest. Exhaling to release. Inhale, and think about lengthening through the spine, sliding the shoulder blades into your back pockets, and release that air. Again, inhale, find your sits bones, your feet into the earth, and pulling up on your pelvic floor as you exhale to help with your bracing and to protect your low back. So let's begin noticing our breath, paying attention to the movements as we drop our arms to the front. And inhale to grow taller and our palms open to the front. Exhale, rounding our back, dropping our hands. And inhale, we'll perform 3 repetitions. And on the 4th one, we'll hold for 2 breaths, deepening the stretch, finding our range of motion and our balance. And let's round forward. And this time we're going to start to go a little bit hard, paying attention to what feels comfortable for you and for your shoulder girdle. Exhale to round forward. Inhale. And if this is as far up as you can reach, that's wonderful. Follow Roseanne. If you feel more comfortable reaching up higher, follow Felicia or Sherry. And now let's take it up to where you feel comfortable to reach, to lengthen, to grow as tall as you feel right in the moment. Inhaling to feel the belly, the ribs, the chest. And then release back down and sit tall. Draw the shoulder blades up and draw the shoulder blades back and down into the back pockets. Remember to go at your own pace, going through your own range of motion. And now we're going to sit tall with our feet a little bit wider, and we're going to flex forward from the hip. Inhaling to grow taller, exhale to lean forward. Inhale to sit tall and cross your arms over your chest. Exhale, reaching, taking its hip, leaning forward, opening the heart. Inhale. Exhale to reach a little bit further if that's available for you. You can always stay in that range of motion if you'd like. Inhale and exhale, and let's stay right here for the moment. Feel that stretch. You can even rest your hands on your chair. Feel that opening through the chest. And then when you're ready, come back and sit tall. And now we're going to repeat that same movement with just one hand. So let's take our right hand, I had to think about that for a moment, and cross over. So remember, when watching the video, you will see it from the opposite side. So whether you're on the right hand or the left hand, it doesn't matter. Inhale and look and follow the movement of that hand with your eye. Exhale back. Inhale up. And this time, let's stay here. You can lean forward on that leg. Exhale and hold it. Hold it. Hold it. And then inhale and bring both arms to cross. And now your left hand is going to do the movement. Inhaling up and exhaling to reach. Follow with your eye. Inhale and exhale. That's number 2. Inhaling up. And then we'll do 4 here. 3. And 1 more. And lift it up. And this time we'll hold it. Leaning on the opposite leg. Hold it. Reach. Lengthen. Elongate. Inhale and exhale. Both hands cross here. And so now we're going to put our hands across our hips. And you'll feel the motion as if we reach up in this direction, but we're just going to do one arm at a time. So let's start with our right hand. Reach across to your left hip with your right hand. You can lean on that left leg and inhale, reach up. Exhale, bring it forward. Inhaling, reaching up, and you can even push on that knee slightly. Excellent, guys. Exhale. And inhale, this is 3. And exhale, and we're gonna hold it here. And hold it. Hold it on that 4th stretch, looking over your shoulder, getting that range of motion that feels comfortable for you at the moment. You can always rest it on the back of your chair if you need to, and come back to center and sit tall for a moment. And now we're going to take our left hand into our right hand pocket, and inhale and open and look. Exhale to reach. Inhale to open and look. There you go. Exhale and inhale for number 3. And here's the 4th one. And we're going to hold it here. Exhale down and inhale and hold, hold, hold. And then come back to center. So we've done enough with our upper body, our shoulders, and let's tap our toes because we're going to use our lower body now. And if you have a yoga strap, a towel, we're going to put our right foot in front, and I'm going to take my towel and wrap it around my toe so that I can lengthen my range of motion. Or you can use something from your, maybe a dog leash, or a long belt. And so we're going to put that strap into our left hand, and we're going to reach up with our right hand. Inhale up and exhale, coming forward where you're comfortable. You don't have to touch the toe, but just feel that stretch in the back of the leg. Inhale to sit tall. Draw the navel in. Exhale to come forward. Being careful not to let your chair slide away from you. Inhale and exhale to lean forward. Feel that stretch. You can stay here if you want to hold it longer or hold on to the foot if you do have the capacity to find that foot. So Sherry's going to stay there. Inhale up. And exhale for the 4th stretch. Wonderful stretch for the back of the calf, the back of the upper leg, even through the bottom of the foot. And now let's come to a seated position, and we're going to switch the strap to the other foot. So this is just one way to use your yoga strap. It's going to be on the left foot. Our right hand is going to hold that yoga strap. We're going to take our left arm up. And exhale and lean forward. And exhale and come forward, flexing the foot, elongating the calf, the back of the leg. Inhale for 3. And one more, and we're going to hold this stretch. And hold it, hold it, hold it, and come to a seated position. And now our next move, we're going to take our feet a little bit wider apart. We're going to take our right leg and keep it there and extend our left leg out to the side. So our right knee stays bent. And our left leg goes out to the side. We're going to lean on our right leg. We're going to bring our hand across if that's how your shoulder feels comfortable. Or you can take it over your head for a side reach. Inhale to sit tall. We forgot to practice with this one today. And sit tall again. Bring that arm down. Bring the arm down. And then exhale to reach. Inhale to come center. Exhale, and we'll hold it right here. Hold it, feeling the stretch on the rib, the shoulder, the hip. And then coming back to center, bringing your legs back to center, sitting tall, and just notice how you feel. And now let's turn that left knee out and extend the right leg long to the side. Inhale to grow taller. Exhale to lean and bring that arm across or over, whatever way feels best for you. Inhale to open and exhale to reach, to lengthen, to open. Inhale to center and exhale across. And let's hold it here, hold it here, hold it. And then come back to center. For the final lower body stretch, we're actually going to really feel this in the front of the hips. So I'm going to face away from you. I'm going to bend my knee and take my leg back so your right knee bends. You're going to look to the right and you're going to take your left leg back. Beautiful. We're going to hold on to the back of the chair and the left arm is going to move. Inhale, bring that left arm to the elbow back and then reach it up with an exhalation, drawing the navel in, feeling that long stretch for the front of the hip. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, lift it up. And if you mix up the breathing, whether it's an exhale down or an inhale up, that's okay, as long as you don't hold your breath. Moving your shoulder one more time through the range of motion that feels best for you. Looking up, reaching up, hold it, hold it, hold it. Feel that stretch through the whole front of the body and then release. Beautiful, ladies. And now we'll face front. And we're going to change and stretch to the other side of the body. Let me get my chair out of the way. And we're going to hold on to the chair with our left hand and take our right arm up. Inhale up, going to the range of motion that is comfortable for you. And then exhale it down. Inhale it up, looking up, lengthening up where it feels comfortable. Exhale down. Inhale up for the third time and lower back down. And then for the final time, and holding it up here. Inhale and exhale, looking up where your body feels comfortable. And release. And now come back to the center. And just sit tall for a moment. We're going to come to a stand. And this will end our chair yoga section. And we're going to go to our standing to challenge our balance more. So you can decide if you want to come out of your chair or if you want to stop here, and that's fine. We're going to rock back gently. Inhale, exhale, and start to come to a stand and reach our arms up. We'll do that 2 more times. Exhaling down. Sit down. Pulling up on the pelvic floor, engaging and reaching and lengthening. And release back down. Inhaling up. Beautiful. And release the arms. So now we're just going to adjust our chairs a little bit. And we're going to take this chair away. Yep. Because Sherry's going to now do the exercises from the floor on her mat. So we're going to start with a down dog and an upward facing dog. So Roseanne's going to use the back of her chair, and Felicia's going to use the top, the seat of her chair. So inhale to prepare, and then we're going to get into position. And we're going to curl our toes under and press our hips back and go into the downward facing dog, lengthening through the crown of your head, through your back, through the back of your legs. Inhale, we're going to come out of the position and go into the upward facing dog. So letting the knees drop, walking the hands out, and lifting the chest, lengthening through your back. And exhale again to the downward facing dog. So linking the movement forward and the movement backward. And now go to the upward facing dog, and you can let your hips come forward, lengthen out. Inhale and exhale, press back to the downward facing dog. So let the hips go back, lengthening out and dropping the head, and upward facing dog. And this will be our last one. A lot of work with this, but it feels so good. And coming back to center. And now we're going to do our half moon or side stretch. So we'll have you stand back up, and you can use your chair on the side. So we're going to start by lengthening that right arm up and the right foot back. Inhale up and exhale. Press the hip out to the side, the arm over the head. Inhale to release. Exhale to reach, to lengthen through that hip, the ribs, the shoulders. Exhale to release. And let's make this our third and final stretch for the half moon. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, and come back to the mountain pose. Standing tall, feet shoulder width apart. And now let's bring the left foot back and the left arm up over the head. Inhale and exhale. Doing a side bend, or what they call a half moon pose. Inhale. Come out of the pose. Exhale, deepen the pose, deepen the stretch. A challenge for the balance. Inhale to come out of the stretch, and exhale to deepen, to lengthen, to hold. One more breath. And come back to center. Excellent. It's a nice tall standing pose called Tadasana. And now we're going to take that right leg forward for Warrior One. The back leg has a slight angle out to the side. We're going to inhale and exhale. Reach your arms up over the head, interlacing, wide apart, or sheer at the sides, whatever serves you in the moment. And we're going to add a subtle turn to this Warrior One. You're going to turn towards that left leg. Inhale, take it up. Exhale and turn. One more to challenge the balance, the range of motion. And then exhale and turn and hold for 2 to 3 breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale, come straight up again. Release the arms to the front. Bring your feet together. And now let's switch to the other leg. So taking the right foot back. The left leg remains in front. And now let's take the arms up. Inhaling up. Exhale and turn. to the other side, to the right side, to that open. Inhale up and exhale. We did both sides, right, ladies? Yep. Sometimes the instructor forgets which direction we went. Inhaling up and exhale to turn. And let's hold this one here. So we're going to drop our arms down and rotate and hold it and hold it and hold it and come back to center. Wonderful. And now we're going to use our yoga strap again or a towel to help with our range of motion. So we're going to slide our shoulder blades into our back pocket. We're going to reach our hands towards each other behind the back and interlace the fingers to release back or hold with a towel. So Felicia, you want to turn sideways? Felicia, yeah. And then release the arms out. Inhale out, you're good. And exhale to release. Inhale out, hold it, and exhale to release. And we'll make this one our last time. Inhale, hold, open the heart, lengthen through the crown of your head, bracing through the abdominals, and then release. Oh, that looked great. How did it feel, okay? And let's just drop our towel down on the chair. We're going to step wide to use what's called a 5-pointed star. So we're going to step our feet as wide apart as you feel comfortable. We're going to bring our arms wide apart and reach. And if you need to be next to your chair or a wall for additional balance support, please do that. And then step the legs together. Bring the arms back down. Inhale, step apart, open, and exhale. And last one. Inhale, 5-pointed star, reach, hold it, opening the heart, opening the chest, lengthening, pulling up on the pelvic floor, bracing, and coming to a stand in mountain pose. One final stretch from our chair. So, Sherry, if you want to get your chair again, we're going to do a side neck pose and wrap up our program for mobility and flexibility. We're going to come to the front of our chair. Our feet are shoulder width apart. And we're going to hold on with our left hand as we lean to the right to feel a deep stretch in our neck. So we're going to inhale, sit tall, exhale and lean, and hold it. Inhale, come back to center and roll the shoulder blades into your back pocket. And exhale and lean. Inhale, come back to center again, and just notice if you feel any tension, even in your jaw, when you're relaxing and leaning. And here's our last one. Inhale and exhale. Deepen the length of that exhalation. Stay here. And coming back to center. Draw the shoulder blades up, back and down, and hold on with your right hand as we lean, dropping the ear towards the left shoulder. Inhale to sit tall. Repeating, exhale to lean and hold it. Inhale to sit tall again, and this time we're going to hold it for 2 to 3 breaths. Leaning, stretching through that neck, finding that opening through that chest, breathing deeply. And now come back to center. And to wrap up the final few moments, we're going to sit back in our chair. We're going to slide our shoulder blades into our back pockets and allow our palms to open on our laps. Noticing, letting go, being mindful of the body. Relaxing the lower body, the torso, the shoulders, placing the tongue right behind the back of your top teeth, closing the lips gently, and noticing the breath. And now relaxing the jaw, the neck, the muscles of the face. And when you're ready, bring your hands to heart center. The palms together, the fingers together, and the thumbs next to the sternum. And acknowledge yourself for your work, for your patience, for your reaching and breathing and trying out a new movement pattern. And we usually end our yoga practice by offering a suggestion. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be free from suffering. And we each say namaste or have a good day to each other. Namaste. Namaste. So that the spirit in me acknowledges your spirit also. Thank you for joining us.